I'm Tyler from ZipGrow, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps of cleaning your matrix media in ZipGrow Towers. Some of the tools you're going to need for this include a stiff bristle brush, some nitrile gloves, and a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. To demonstrate, we have a ZipGrow tower here that we just finished harvesting mustard greens out of. We're going to start out by pulling as much plant material by hand that we can from between the matrix media, and any stubborn material we can use the matrix media pulling hook to dislodge the roots to make this easier. Next, we're going to line our ZipGrow tower up with the pin on our ZipGrow work table to secure it while we grab our matrix media pulling hook and slowly work the media out of the tower. Next, we're going to unfold the matrix media to expose the wicking strip. We're going to remove the wicking strip and try to pull any organic material that still remains that we can, and then set the wicking strip aside for later. Next, we're going to use our 5% peroxide solution to spray down our matrix media. Make sure to spray it down liberally to ensure you've soaked it well with peroxide. Next, you're going to use a stiff bristle brush and work in one direction to remove all roots and organic material from the matrix media. Now that we're done with our matrix media, we're going to turn our attention towards our wicking strips. It's a good idea to have spare wicking strips on hand so that you can wash, dry, and soak some of them while planting into others. We like to use our 5% peroxide solution to spray down the surface of the wicking strip. We then take a stiff bristle brush and slowly work in one direction, removing all roots and organic material. Additionally, you can soak your wicking strips and matrix media in hydrogen peroxide solution overnight. In a commercial setting, a pressure washer can be used to increase efficiency when cleaning your matrix media. Next, we're going to turn our attention to our ZipGrow tower. We're going to start out by spraying the surface of the ZipGrow tower with our 5% hydrogen peroxide solution. We're then going to use our stiff bristle brush to remove any loose leaf litter or organic material from the surface of the tower. We also like to use our long-handled stiff bristle brush to get inside the tower to scrub any loose material. Next, we use our scour pad to remove any fertilizer residue or stubborn organic material left to the surface of the ZipGrow tower. It's important to scrub all sides of your ZipGrow tower to make sure you've removed all organic material, pathogens, or pests. We then like to use our microfiber cloth to remove any residue left over and polish the surface of the ZipGrow tower, leaving it clean. It's best practice to clean your work area and spray it down with hydrogen peroxide between cleaning towers to restrict the movement of pests and pathogens. Now you're good to reinsert your matrix media and wicking strips into the ZipGrow tower. Always take care when using cleaning products and make sure to consult the label before mixing, as they can react with each other. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, follow us for more information and content, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for further information.